In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix Instagram post could not be shared. Please try again error. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is check your internet connection. Make sure you have stable internet connection or else you can switch between network, Wi-Fi and cellular data. Likewise, toggle on for the option airplane mode. Wait for a few minutes and then disable it. This might fix your issue. Next, check the server status. For that, launch your preferred browser, navigate to the website like Town Detector, search for Instagram. If you found out any outages, you will need to wait until the problem will be resolved from the end. If not, you can follow these steps. Check for app updates. Launch App Store or Play Store, search for the app Instagram. If you see the option update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. If these solutions didn't work out for you, completely delete Instagram app from your device and reinstall it. Next up, you can contact Instagram support team. For that, launch Instagram, navigate to settings and activity page, scroll all the way down, click on the option help. Now click on the option report a technical problem. Click on the option report problem without shaking. Click on don't include and continue. Once you're in this page, you will need to briefly explain about the issue that you are unable to share the post. With this, Instagram support team will get back to you. And that's it. These are some fixes for Instagram posts could not be shared. Please try again error. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.